Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix ChatGPT. Your card has been declined. So first solution for you or option is that maybe in your country they not provide this kind of service, so keep in mind that. But if you know that in your country it's available to buy basically subscription of ChatGPT, then another thing that can be is with your browser cookies. So what you need to do here, you need to go to here on three little dots, go to settings, and then you need to go to privacy and security, cookies and other site data, and then scroll down until you see all data and permissions, and then just right here open AI and just delete all the cookies related to open AI, right? And other thing that can cause this problem is your extensions. So it can block basically your Chrome extensions block this basically option. So what you need to do here, you need to press on this little puzzle icon here, manage extensions, and disable your extensions here, and then try to purchase a ChatGPT service, right? And again, if you're experiencing the error, what you need to do here is to try to buy ChatGPT with a different browser, maybe Mozilla Firefox, Opera, whatever you like. And if the problem persists, then the last thing that you can do here is to write to support. So as you can see here, there is an email for that, help@openai.com. Just compose an email, explain your situation, and explain that you cannot that your card is declined and you cannot buy the subscription, and they will provide you with the best options for you to choose to get that OpenAI or ChatGPT subscription, right? So that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.